Hi everyone and welcome back to Crypto Daddy YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to check out another awesome and very amazing pre-sale product which is known as PEAP. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that do your own research as well. I am not a financial advisor. Final countdown to listing. Whether you are already holding PEAP or watching from sidelines, the biggest update yet are here to shake the entire chain. Listing is confirmed on 31st of October. 5 top tier CEX as well as GEX listings are confirmed. This is a really big news. So as you know, the listing price is rumored to be at $3. It's 100x potential. Current price is still very low. As you know, the initial price is $0.003. Current price is $0.027 and the listing price is $3. Also, you can check out the community reward. So PEAP has raised 10,000 ETH and 5% of it is spread going into the dual reward pool. So it's not just words. You can check out their ether scan as well, and here you can check out a multi-chain address. So they have almost $2 million so far in there. So if ether hits $5,000 on listing day, every PEAP holder get rewarded into the ether. If it doesn't, you still win with rewards in PEAP backed by 10% of the tokenomics. So ETH is currently at 4.2 to 4.3k dollars right now, and it's still very close to 5k dollars. This means that your 5% community rewards could surge 4x in value. Also, ETH has been on the rise lately. Layer 2 projects like PEAP can be rising so high. The rise of ETH will boost layer 2 tokens like PEAP, and it is one of them. Also, I want to tell you that their bonuses are live. The early and bigger you buy, the higher bonuses you will get. Buy now and get up to 15% bonus on the PEAP. It's limited time offer. So also I want to tell you about zero cut launchpad. PEAP is launching with 0% fees on its own custom built launchpad DEX. So this is an amazing use case that they are building their own DEX and launching there. Not just another listing, PEAP is building its own launchpad tailored for meme fueled tokens and future community projects. There isn't a side feature, it's a core part of the PEAP ecosystem. So what this means, this purely means that there will be 0% buy or sell tax on PEAP's native launchpad, instant trading the moment TGE goes live. Ecosystem tools built to support meme liquidity as well as viral marketing. No middleman, no restrictions, 100% transparent. I also want to tell you about the staking feature. They are giving an amazing APY of up to 150%. This means that your tokens grow 2.5x in just 1 year with compounding. Price pumps, multi-layer gains. If PEAP price rises while you are earning 150% of the APY, your gains become more than just 150%. For example, if you stake 1000 PEAP and the current price of one PEAP is $0.027, so this means you had purchased 1000 PEAP in $27. So after staking it for 1 year, you have 2500 PEAP, and if we say that the price of one PEAP at that time is $3, then your total value will become $7500. This is approximately 277x returns in your initial investment. So guys, I also want to tell you to join their X handle as well as Telegram channel and Telegram group as well, because the developers of the product are also part of this amazing community, so that you don't miss any of the update about PEAP product. I also want to tell you that many of the calls are making videos about this product onto the YouTube, because this product is currently trending #1. So make sure you watch those videos as well. If you want to know more about this product, you can also search it onto the Telegram, or also you can search it onto the Twitter handle. So people are telling and writing about this product as well. This product is really a game changer. So make sure you do some own research as well, and if you want to become part of this product, make sure you take part at early stages, so that you get the G8 at the cheap prices. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.